everybody. See, today I am going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I am going to teach you digital root. Now, how can you find out the digital root? See, what you have to do, you have to simply add up all the digits of a number. If you have to find out the digital root of a number, what you have to do with that, you have to simply add all the digits of that number. And if the sum is not single digit, this I will explain you when you are doing the addition of digits. And like 10, you know 10 is not a single digit. You get the answer 10, 12 and so on. You 9900, whatever answer you can get. Okay. If the sum is not single digit, then keep repeating this process. Then you have to keep repeating, means you have to keep on adding all the digits until the sum becomes single digit. Until the sum becomes single digit. Now see, I have taken these examples. I have told you, you have to keep on doing the addition of the digits to obtain the digital root until you get the single digit. Look here, this is 2, 3, 1. So how will you obtain the digital root? You will add all the digits. What you will? 2 plus 3 plus 1. So what will you get? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Now this 6 is your digital root. Now in this, see, I will add all the digits. 4 plus 6 plus 7. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. But I have told you, look at this example. Here you are getting single digit, but here this is not single digit. So earlier what I have told you, keep on adding until you obtain the single digit. So what will you do here? You will add 1 plus 7. Okay, because here you have got two digits 1 and 7. So you will add both these digits, 1 plus 7, which is equals to 8. So 8 is the digital root here. Now here you will see, you can see all these digits. You will have to add all these digits. Okay, you will have to add all these digits. 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7. Okay, this example. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 plus 7 is equals to 26. This is equals to 26. But here also you have seen this is not single digit. So I have done the addition of these two digits. Here also I will do same. What I will do? I will do 2 plus 6, which is equals to again 8. Okay. And in this also, see, you will have to add all these digits. Now see what I am going to do. 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 8, which is equals to 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 plus 8 is 31. Okay. Now again you see this is not again single digit. So what you will do? You will do 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. So 4 is here your digital root. Now see what I have written here. Shortcut to find dr. I am going to tell you a shortcut to find the dr. What is the shortcut? You can read here. Cancel out 9. See, wherever you find 9 or any pair of 9, you have to cancel See how? See, you here, this you know, 6 plus 3, this is a pair of 9, so you cancel out this. Now if you look here, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, this is a pair of 9, this will make 9, cancel out 9. Now see, 8 plus 1, if you will add 8 plus 1, it will make 9, so you cancel out 9. What is left here? 2. Now see, like this also you have got 2, and if you will add all these digits, then also you will get the same. See, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28, 28 plus 1 is 29. Okay, like if you will do like this, you will get 29, and again you know this is double digit, so what you will do? 2 plus 9. So what is 2 plus 9? That is equals to 11. So again here also see, this is again double digit. So I told you in the beginning, keep on repeating this process until you get the single digit. Again you have to do 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So you can find out this 2 is the same as here 2. So what is the rule? Rule says cancel out 9. See, if you will add all these, it will be lengthy. So I am telling you the shortcut is cancel out 9. Look at this example also. See, this is simply 9. So 9, cancel out 9. Now see, 7 plus 2 will make 9. Cancel out 9. 4 plus 5 will make 9. Cancel out 9. 6 plus 3 will make 9. Cancel out 9. Now 8 plus 1 will make it 9. Cancel out 9. Now this is 0. And if you are doing addition or subtraction, and if you are getting 0, so it means 0 is equals to 9 also while you are doing addition or subtraction. This I will explain you with some example. Okay, now look here, we are doing properties of digital root. So what are the properties? The property says that left hand side of a sum is always equal to right hand side here, and then DS is not applicable in X approximation. If you are, suppose you are dividing, and if you get the answer in approximate values, so it will not be applicable in approximation. Then the DR can be negative also, and the last property is ignore decimal and percentage. If you have to add the decimal sums, then you ignore all the decimal points, and if you have to find out the percentage, then ignore percentage. This all I will explain you with examples in my questions. Now you see, I have written the counting from 1 to 9 here also, and here also I have written the same. Now what I am going to do, see, if I will add 9 here, if I will add 9 here, okay, in all these digits, what will happen? See, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, okay, and you told you if you have to find out the digital root, what you will do? This is not single digit, you will make it single digit. So 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Again 11 is not single digit. If you will add 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Now 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. So 12 is again not single digit. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Now 4 plus 9 is equals to 13, which is equals to 4. 5 plus 9 is equals to 14, which is equals to 5. 6 plus 9 is equals to 15, which is equals to 6. 7 plus 9 is equals to 16, which is equals to 7. 8 plus 9 is equals to 17, which is equals to 8, and 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, which equals to 9. So you look here, this is 1. If you will add 9 to 1, you will get the DR 1. This is 2. If you will add 9 to 2, DR will be 2. This is 3. If you will add 9 to 3, DR will be 3. This is 4. If you will add 9 to 4, DR will be 4. Like this. 5. Here DR is 5. 6. DR is 6. Like this. In all these you can find out. Now what does this say? This says if you add 9 to any number, it doesn't change the number. You can see here the numbers are same, and here also the numbers are same. Now you look here, what is the difference? Here I have done the addition. Now here I am going to multiply. 1 multiply 9. 9 1 is equals to 9. 2 multiply 9 is equals to 18. So how will you will find out the DR of 18? That will equal to 1 plus 8, that is equals to 9. 3 multiply 9 is equals to 27. So 3 multiply 9 is equals to 27, and 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 4 multiply 9 is equals to 36. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 5 multiply 9 is equals to 45. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 6 multiply 9 is equals to 54. So 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 7 multiply 9 is equals to 63. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 8 multiply 9 is equals to 72. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 9 multiply 9 is equals to 81. So 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So see, you have done the multiplication of 9 with these numbers. Okay, when you will multiply in digital root, this is the property. Okay, this is the most important property, that if you are going to multiply a number with 9, so its digital root will always be 9 only. Okay, these are small digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Like I am going to tell you this with example. Now you look here, if you have multiplied 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 with 9, always you got the DR 9. So what is the property? The property says that if you multiply any number with 9, it will always give you the DR digital root 9. Look at this example. This is 672. If I multiply it by 9, what will I get? I will get 6048. Now this is the result. How will you get 9 as DR? Now you know you have to add all these digits. 6 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, so you got 18. But again I told you, you have to find out the single digit. So what will you do? You will do 1 plus 8, which is equals to 9. So see, you have multiplied a bigger number with 9, and what is the digital root that you have got? You got 9 only as the digital root. Okay. Now you see, I have taken a bigger number 8972 and I multiplied it with 9. So I got this result. Now you have to check the DR. See, to check the DR, you have to add all these digits. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 8 is equals to Okay, and now you see you got 27, but again this is double digit. So I told you if you get double digit, so what you will do? You will add 2 plus 7, which is equals to 9. So you multiply this number by 9, but you got the digital root 9 only. Okay, and here also you have seen very well that if you multiply a number with 9, you will always get the DR9. And thanks for watching this video, and other questions I will tell you in the next part. Thanks for watching.